Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new project and choosing the correct aspect ratio, 16:9 for most videos. Once done, import your media, drag and drop or click import. Clipchamp accepts MP4 and MOV. Now place the clip on the timeline and zoom in to about 200% so you can see frames clearly. Make sure to scrub the playhead to the approximate start point. This early focus saves time later, because precision here prevents repeated trimming and keeps your edits non-destructive. Now you perform the detailed cutting. Position the playhead, use spacebar to play and pause, and nudge frame by frame with arrow keys for accuracy. Once at the exact frame, press the split tool or S to cut. Repeat for the endpoint. Remove unwanted segments by selecting and hitting delete, or use ripple delete to close gaps. Then trim remaining clip edges by dragging handles inward. Make sure to preview transitions between cuts so timing and flow remain natural. To finish, refine timing. Add short transitions or cut on the beat by watching the audio waveform. This keeps pacing tight. Then set export options, 1080p at 30 fps for most platforms, and choose bitrate based on file size needs. Once exported, review the full file. If you run into playback stutter or lag while editing, clear Clipchamp cache or lower preview quality to 1/2. These steps fix most performance issues without altering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.